Hi, and thank you for watching. So for today's video, we're doing an unboxing and just like a general review. So Louis Vuitton is one of my favorite brands. I really favor the monogram Eclipse. I think it all started on my birthday in October when I purchased this scarf. This is the Shine Shawl, and just, it's the monogram, but it's in my color scheme. So I love this, and I think this really got me into gray monogram. This bag behind me is my first monogram Eclipse collection purchase. I've had it for a little bit now, so if you want a full review just on that bag itself, then leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to do that. But today I want to do a little unboxing. It's not readily available, so I'll just show you what this is because you might want to get it too, and if you do, then you gotta order it. Undo the ribbon. It is an SLG. Sounds like a monster. So in here we have the dust bag. Ta-da-ta-da. I don't even know what it's called, but this is my new wallet. And I love this thing because it is in monogram Eclipse. And then the back side is the reverse monogram. I might actually like this. Do I like this better? I don't know. I mean, they're both so beautiful, right? So yeah, I just had to get this. This is called the coin card holder. This I love. It's like the perfect size for a wallet for me. Right now I have a really tiny little card holder and I just needed a little bit more than that. So this has slots for cards. There are 3, and then a bigger pocket right here. Inside here there's the zipper compartment. On the other side, there's just a large pocket, the width of the wallet. And I just really like this. I think it's really cute. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I'm so excited about this. It took me a long time to even shop Louis Vuitton. I finally purchased the Pochette Métis, I think 2 years ago or something. I wear it a lot, don't get me wrong, but it like never matches my outfit because I'm never wearing gold. So I actually wear it more like in a casual way than being dressed up because it's mismatched and just it's the brown to me leans more casual. I used to think that I wanted a Chanel wallet, but Chanel, it's just getting so crazy expensive. It's like, why even bother? You know what I mean? Even the Pre-Loved is like $1,000 for a wallet. Like I just can't justify that. But this is really pretty, and it has, you know, it's signature and all that if you're into that bougie stuff. If you're like me and this is something that you like, it's out of stock online and they don't have this available in the stores. So I sent a text message to my sales associate and she told me that there are only like 9 of these available. So she just ordered this for me because she's the best. So yeah, I wanted to share this. I really love it. I know I'm not the only one who has an affinity for gray tones. So if this is something you're into, I'll put the information on this down below. But yeah, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. It's a wallet, but I just really wanted to share it. Small leather goods are just something, they have like that taste of luxury, but it's not as exciting as a brand new handbag. But I mean, no matter which bag I'm using, I pretty much use the same wallet. So unfortunately, this color they use for the men's section at Louis Vuitton, so it's not like you'll find a Pochette Métis in this or anything like that. The reason I don't have more bags, like this bag is cool. Like I said, I will review it if you like, but their other bags are like so masculine. Like they have straps like seat belt looking straps instead of like a chain or something. I don't mind masculine looking chic stuff like formal wear or something, but their bags are like seatbelt straps, like utility. So it's almost like the fashion is kind of lost in that really industrial looking aesthetic that they have. I'm just patiently waiting for things. When I picked this up, they had shoes available at my location, which was really cool. But this color, it was all men's. Like it was like Jordan looking shoes, super masculine slides, and I'm just kind of bummed. So I'm finding what I can to look really feminine and then purchase it and share it with you. I have a pair of shoes that are gray. Should I just unbox them? Why not? Because when else will I? I wouldn't like dedicate a video to these shoes, so I might as well just unbox them here. This is my first purchase from the brand Aquazzura. These are the Drew Pump 60 in suede, and the color is cool gray. I'm a 7.5. It said size up half a size, so I got them in 38, and these are from Nordstrom. I got these on so much sale. Kitten heels. So here's the shoe. I love the bow. I think it's really feminine and cute. Reminds me of Easter. Color's perfect. It'll look so great with anything, even denim, whatever. It's all suede. Shoe feels very light. Wow. I got some toe cleavage in there, but it'll be okay. Can you see these? These are kind of cute. Cute, right? I love that. I like this color. I just needed some low heels. I try to look chic all the time, but sometimes when my stilettos are too like high, I kind of look like I'm a lot cheekier than I mean to look. It's not even close to summer yet, but summer gives me like anxiety because I never know what to wear. I like to wear fall clothes all the time. And then for summer, like I never know what shoes to wear. I always feel like I dress way too casual. And then I try to make up for it. Like I'll wear like denim shorts with feather slides or something. Like I don't have good summer fashion, but I think these would look really nice with like shorts. Just trying to step my game up, you know, for spring, summer. So that's very cute. Super short random video. I just wanted to showcase this in case you wanted to order it too. I would love to purchase more from this collection. I just wish that they had more feminine pieces or used this canvas color on existing women's bags. That would be just ideal. I would love it so much. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.